Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I got a fever, and the only prescription
It's more cowbell.
is a whetstone. Let me show you why. All right, so the other day I was using my hand plane here, and I noticed a line coming out of the. You could see where it would separate. It was super odd, and I wasn't sure why. And then I held this up to the light. I took my blade out, and I held it up to the light, and I saw a chip missing. And I thought, how could that have happened? Well, I don't really know how it happened, but let's get it fixed today. I'll show you how we're going to do that. All right, guys, so laid out here, I think, is everything that I'm going to need to make this happen. We got a sharpening kit, of course, our plane, some lube, a jig for your sharpening stones, and some gloves and paper towels. I think that's everything that we're going to need, so I'll get into it. Okay, let's get this torn apart so that we can fix it. So this is a Stanley Bailey number 4 hand plane I got from a coworker that was in pretty rough shape whenever I got it, but I was able to finish it up and make it look pretty decent. It has the original Heartwood handles, which are super nice. So to take it apart, we're just going to take the clamp, going to pull this lever, that pops right off, and then we're going to separate the chip breaker and the blade from the frog, and we'll set those parts over here for now. So on here we have this side, which is the chip breaker. You can see how it's kind of rounded, and this is what pushes the shavings away from the blade, is this piece right here. And then the other side is our blade, and we're just going to loosen that up to where it just gives, and we'll slide it down, twist, and then off. You can take this screw out. Some people do. I don't particularly like to, because there's a chance that you can damage the blade, but it appears as though I damaged the blade without doing that, so I don't need any help damaging it. So when we get this sharpening kit out, we'll get it ready to sharpen. All right, so as you can see, everything laid out here. I added a parts washing bin here. So whenever you are using stones like this is a 400 and 1000 grit and 3000, 8000 grit. I don't know how accurate those are, to tell you the truth. But either way, so we're gonna start off with the 400, and I'm just gonna put the WD-40 to this, and this is a good thing to use WD-40 for. If I'm lubing anything or trying to make something move, I typically always use AMSOIL metal protectant. It's what WD-40 strives to be. I'll see if I can't get a good picture or video of the problem that we're having with this blade here. Give me just a second. So using my hyper advanced technology, you can sort of see right there the break in the blade, and that's what we're aiming to fix today, is that break in the blade. So see if we can't get that done. All right, so I think that's pretty well lubed up. And so what this is for is I'll start putting my blade in there. And then this is what gets me my 30 degrees perfect every time. All I have to do is make sure it's tight up against that, tighten it down, and I know I'm at 30 degrees every single time. So Hi, buddy.
Can you clog a toilet?
Can I do what?
Clog a toilet.
Unclog a toilet.
Yeah. It clogged.
It clogged.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Can you unclog it?
I can absolutely unclog it.
You need to do right now.
Okay. Sounds good. You want to come in here for a minute?
Yeah.
I'm just in the middle of shooting a video on how to sharpen the chisel, sharpen the blade to the plane. So we'll be right back, guys. We're going to go unclog a toilet, right? Okay. Oh, 'tis the reality of having kids. Whenever they learn how to use the bathroom by themselves, they clog toilets quite often. So anyhow, we have this in the jig. We're going to start working it here. So as I was sharpening, I could see kind of an odd spot open up in the middle of my stone here. And the middle was a little bit higher, or sorry, a little bit lower than the outsides. So it's just time to level that off, which is super easy. You have one of these leveling stones. You can pretty much just run it until it's level. That seems to be pretty good. Daddy's making a video.
We love people, Dad.
You love videos? All right.
Mommy, do you, Daddy?
Can you go grab a pair of gloves?
Yeah, Dad.
Okay. We have a special guest here. The blue ones there. Yep, those ones. Grab 2. Yep, those are for you. You're welcome. There's 1.
Mommy, do you, Dad?
Okay, you do it. Well, you got 2 fingers in one spot.
If you walk up,
Okay. Go down. All right, now pull your sleeves up like Dad's.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. Do you know what we're doing?
Yeah.
We are sharpening our plane blade because we had a boo-boo in it. So I'll show you how we do it. We're going to set it right here. And we're just going to go back and forth a bunch. How's that? Not right this second, though, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just checking this to see if it's getting close. We had a boo-boo there on the one. Yep, a boo-boo. But she's looking really good now.
Ah.
All right, you can't really tell, but we got that little piece out there. Well, no, not green yet. Put it down. We're gonna flip this one over. We gotta work the back side of this for a second. Here, can you help me? Just like this. Good job. You're such a big help.
Back. I want my beta.
Big help.
I want my beta.
What's that?
I want my baby.
Okay.
I want my new baby.
Okay, after a short intermission to ride our new pink bike, we're back to the regular paid programming. Yeah. All right. Oh, good job, right there. Yeah. Here. Go. There you go. Okay. All right. Yep, you can help. You can help with this. We can't do it by yourself. Hold on. We've bumped up now to the 3,000 grit. And we're just gonna go nice and easy. Not easy, baby girl. No, don't pull it. I'll flip this one over to the 8,000. We'll get that in. This well lubricated. We'll go to town with the 8,000. Now it's all right to spend a little time here with the 8,000 because this is going to be our finish. Okay. I think that'll do it. Let's get this all cleaned up here. We definitely worked that problem child out of the middle. So that's good. We'll use the strop here. Nice and finished. Look at that mirror finish. See if it shaves. Shaves very well. That's what we're looking for. All right, let's get it back in our plane, and we'll just do it all over again. All right, we've put the very same piece of wood in here. We're gonna slowly run our blade out until we start catching. So that right there is what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for. What had probably happened was I laid it down on the top, and that's what created the cut. So, I mean, doesn't get too much better than that. I could almost go with one hand across that. It's cutting so nice. Listen to this. Listen here. Listen, it got it so smooth that it screeches. That's insane. That's insane. That's crazy. All right, guys. I hope that you really enjoyed that. I know I enjoy making these videos. You guys enjoy it. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment for me. I'm very happy with that. It is unbelievably sharp now. It shaves hair, cuts paper, and we spent all of 30 seconds on that piece of cherry. That was rough cut with a chainsaw. And it's down to, it's so smooth that whenever I run my finger across it, it makes a streaking sound. So I think what had happened is I had laid this on a surface that had a piece of metal or something sticking up. I laid it on the surface. It gave it a ding. You know, that's why we learn. We learn from those mistakes. You should always lay it on their sides if you can. Or if the blade's completely retracted with your screw here, then you could lay it flat if you really wanted to. But you know, good force of habit is to lay it to the side whenever you're using it. yeah, so you guys got to see a little sharpening setup. I'd like to do one on chisels next. If that's something that you're interested in. Be sure to leave a comment below. If there's anything really that you guys are interested in seeing, leave a comment. I'd be happy to maybe dive into something different, even something that I've never done before. I'm cool with diving into that stuff too. I'm always willing to learn. So yeah, well, I think that's going to do it for me. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your souls clean. Keep me in your prayers. I'll keep you in mine. And we'll see you on the next video.